the fun part. I'm joking, of course. I use the nails and I use a hammer, small hammer, and because I don't want my fingers to get crunched, I use pliers. Just start hammering around. Some people make marks and all kinds of stuff. What I would recommend is not hammering through the paper if you can. Sometimes you don't have a choice. It is very hard sometimes to get paper out once you hammer through it, so try not to do that. If you have a choice like this where I'm doing just an outline. Okay. That's kind of in the middle. You know what, I'm going to put a little bit of tape to keep this in place. You know, like it's doing. It's alright. It'll adjust. So the only thing that's kind of important here is that it is you kind of keep it symmetrical. OCD people, don't worry, this is very forgiving. You're going to be wowed by the colors. You won't notice that these are like a couple more crooked or not completely. Alright, we're just cleaning all of this, so keep that in mind that these might have some kind of sediment on it. I'd be able to just take this paper out. There. Using two types of crochet thread today and red heart. This will be later. Alright. I always keep, if there's like a craft on here, instructions, I just keep it. Not really. Okay. So for this, you probably need some scissors too. Let's get going. First I'm gonna go horizontal, then I'm gonna go vertical, and there's something special for the red. So with the burgundy, I'm just going horizontal and vertical. All right, where's the end? I don't know where anything is. No. I'm gonna make a big knot, I know it. The key to getting out knots is two things: patience and nails. And not these kind of nails, these kind of nails. And right now I kind of don't have these kind of nails, so it's a little bit of a struggle. One wrong move and I made a knot. Yay! Okay, let's get started. For this, I'm just going to start at the bottom. Start with the burgundy, and I'm going to go horizontal, and then I'm going to go vertical. You just make a knot here at the bottom. Double knot. The key here is going to be trying to keep it as vertical as possible and as horizontal as possible, so it just makes like a nice kind of checkered background for what I'm trying to do later on. Yeah. I'm just going to, for the first one, it's important for me that I keep it as horizontal as possible and then as vertical as possible. So I'm really trying to match up the screws, the nails that go and I'm double looping them, so I want it to go back and forth at least once. Round trip. All right, round trip for all of these. And that'll give me extra kind of filler, because I want the background to be burgundy. Nice burgundy. That'll stand out against the white. Basically, the way that I'm doing this is I'm going around like almost twice, and then back, and then around once, and on to the next one. And so around, and then see how it's like basically keeping it as straight as possible. Keeping in mind, I'll have to do this vertically too, yay! As you move on, you will start to get like a rhythm of what works. So this is probably the last one that I'm going completely across with, and I'll show you how I do the humps basically. And I'm just going to the middle instead of going all the way across. So go to the middle, go back here like this. So now that I'm here, I usually just kind of turn it, so I just keep doing the same procedure. So again, you're trying to keep it as perpendicular to these lines as possible. We're going to go vertical now, right? Okay. So this is how it looks when it's all done with your vertical and horizontal. Now, the red. This is a little bit more detailed. Let me just tie this off, and I'll get into the kind of pattern that I'm doing for this one. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, because I've only seen this done with like circles, but we're going to do it with heart. So for this, we're going to go, first we're going to go up, around, way. All right, that's a starter. And then we're gonna go one to the right, wrap it around, two to the left. So 1, 2 from here. Back, round again, and we're gonna go one to the right and 2 to the left, which, you know, there's one there. I don't know, like I said, how this is going to turn out, because I've never seen it done with a heart shape, but we'll try it. One to the right, 2 to the left. to the right. Get over there. Two to the left. So I'm just going to keep on doing this, and hopefully it'll turn out great. Okay, so now that we finished that all the way around, we're going to do it again opposite direction. So let me just twist this. And again, I'm going to start with the middle, but this time we're going to go the opposite direction. So it's going to be actually going to be one to the left, two to the right. And on to the next, one to the left and two to the right. Where is it? Okay. One to the left and two to the right. And I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. Okay, so I finished the other side, and now I'm going to do the final thing, hopefully. Depends how it looks when I'm done. Which is going to be a starburst from here, going all the way around. So, just gonna start here. And this is going to be very, very heavy on this middle one, so I'm going to push these down a little bit. I'm not going to wrap it around too much in the middle because it's going to be very, it's going to be a lot. And here we have the finished product.